You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals 14/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all b terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1/14b to both sides. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 42/23. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is b equals 14/3.